Good morning, everybody. Several of you have asked for an updated look at the house since we've been moved in for a bit and I got the floors redone. So this is that video. So I am currently upstairs. I live upstairs. My daughter is downstairs. We share the kitchen and the laundry facilities, but I typically am up here. So right now I'm in the corner and we're looking into the living room, the bathroom, the bedrooms, and my office. So let's start this way. There was carpet all throughout the upstairs except for the bathroom. So we had the carpet ripped out and put this, what is it called? LVP. So luxury vinyl plank, I think. So here is the office. I've got my desk over there that I work at. I have my desk that I do my filming at. And then I've got a few ottomans from the couch that I've put up against the wall here because the fur babies, when I'm working, they like to be in here with me. So this will give them some space to do that. And I've got my medications up on top of the microwave, so I don't want to pan up too much because it's got my info on it, but we've got my refrigerator, my robot vac, and my microwave cart that has, my trash bags and all that good stuff. So this is what that's looking like. Let's turn around. And this is the stairs. So you come up the stairs and you're greeted by the cat boxes. I stuck them over there in the corner, and I've got this accordion that we got off of Amazon when we were in the last house. And that way I don't have to look at it, and my guests don't need to look at it either. I've got two tables here that I have some cat beds. Try to give them all the windows so that they can see outside and rest in the sun because the sun beams in this way of a morning. And then we've got some cat scratchers. This is just, we might as well just say that I visit and the fur babies, this is really their space. And then we have a cat tree here. And then coming around this way is my living room. So I have a chair and ottoman that my daughter bought me. And then I've got my TV, and this is a coffee table that it's on. I've got another cat bed. They love that. I've got this cube storage that I keep my current crochet projects in. I don't know if you guys are crocheters, you might do this too, but I have one bag for each project. That way they're separate. Currently, I'm working on this granny square blanket, and I've got these, what's the word? I can't think of it right offhand. Blocked, that's what I'm doing. So I'm blocking the squares. I'm almost done with the blanket. Then we have the food for the fur babies and water. And then here's the couch. This is the couch my daughter had at the other house, and the ottomans that I have over in the windows go to this. It is the most uncomfortable couch, and the only purpose it serves is for the cats to lay on. I stay over here on my chair. Okay. Then we have my bedroom, and I haven't made my bed yet. It's still kind of early on Mother's Day morning. So we have Oreo. Hello, Oreo. And then is Luna under the bed? She likes to hide under the bed, but I don't see her under there. So this is my bedroom. No change here. I do want to rip up all the carpet that's up here, actually throughout the house, and replace it with the LVP. And then this is my bathroom. Nothing spectacular in there, no changes. My storage is back here. I've got all my cleaning products and stuff. This is a very messy bedroom. Please do not judge me. I need to go through it. That's the blanket I'm working on. I keep this shut because the cats will get into all my yarn. I have quite a bit of yarn here. So this is my messy guest room / craft room. And then this is really the guest bedroom that everybody likes to stay in. Again, keep it shut so that the fur babies don't get in here. We don't want any animal hair on the blankets and stuff. So this is what the upstairs looks like. And then I'll take you downstairs to show you what that looks like. And I'll show you what Simba's done. We're having all the carpet ripped out from the stairs, and my friends are handy women. They're gonna put down, it's like wood steps, paint, and all that kind of good stuff. Simba's ruined this carpet, and we would not be doing this if he had not ruined it. But like I said, we want all the carpet gone anyway. This is what he's done. He has ruined it. I know it's just a little piece, but we're just gonna have it replaced because we want to. Okay, so let's go this way. No changes here. Guest bath. This is the entryway to the house. This is a coat closet that we keep all of our holiday stuff in. And then let me turn some lights on. There we go. This is our dining room, Carol Ann's coffee bar. I didn't turn on lights first, clearly. And then in here, we have our laundry room. I did get another rack to put the stuff on. All of our big appliances are in here. I have an Instapot I haven't opened and a food processor that I bought a long time ago that is still up there. So this is where we keep all the things. We've got some cleaning supplies and squeakies. Yeah, so cleaning products, all that good stuff, laundry. Come on, squeakies. Come on, you gotta come out because I'm shutting the door. There we go. Okay, so out of the laundry closet, I just did the dishes so the kitchen doesn't look nasty. It was, both sides of the sink were filled up. Which I was not going to show you that. I hate doing dishes. It's like the worst chore ever. This is Carol Ann's living room. So she has a big couch. Lots of light comes in. She's got dog and cat food. I need to put away all these things. This is all clean. It just needs to be put away. This is the island. Like I said, I've been cleaning it up so it's not nasty. So no changes down here. Can show you in the pantry. This is our pantry. I plan on doing a meal plan and pantry video. This is our dining room table. Hey, quit hissing. Somebody's fighting. Let's go see who it is. It's got to be Simba because he is the biggest jerk. He's a jerk face. Simba! Hey, stop it. Who is under here? There's Mobs. Who's bothering you, Mobs? What's wrong? There's Daisy. There's Luna. Okay, so this is Carol Ann's room. Make sure she doesn't have anything out that has any personal information. Doesn't look like it. Her guitar collection. She's got automatic litter boxes. I love them, but Oreo is so chunky, she can't get in there. Then we have the bathroom. Nothing spectacular in there, and there's her master closet. So that is a look at the house. And then I already did a video of the outside, but I just love our backyard. It just rained. It was raining when I filmed a backyard tour just a little bit ago, but I just love it out here. It's so relaxing. My lemon tree. Another thing for the fur babies. She doesn't have all the things for the fur babies like I do. This is her corner that she doesn't use, but she's got all of her books. She loves dragons and all of the superhero stuff. She's got all of her favorite books. So, oh, that's a tree I got for her at Christmas. It's a Harry Potter tree. It's got all sorts of Harry Potter decorations, and she loves it. So, editing Lisa here. I wanted to show you the garage. I have cleaned out the garage this weekend. So I wanted to show you what I've done. We have our gas cans. We have our big Mac Daddy generator. We have an electric mower, blower, weed eater, which I love. It is so easy. There's nothing to pull. This generator has a pull start. It is so hard for me to do. I can't do it by myself. I have to get somebody to help me. So over here I've got the Bissell. I need to clean this. I need to take the hose and go outside and deep clean it. This is a chest freezer we had at the other house. I plugged it back in. It's empty, it's cold, and it's ready for all the veggies we are going to pick from our garden. And then over here, Carol Ann's cat, automatic cat litter stuff, some chairs, backup water, the car seat I used for my grandbaby, and this is a new addition. Carol Ann bought this. It is a chest freezer, and it is full of meat. Look at all that. I will do a pantry tour and show you guys, but I just put this together. I've had it in the garage in the box for a while, but I put that together. So I got everything up off the ground, all of our Christmas stuff, all of like the things that, you know, go in the garage that just need to get up off the floor. I bought these for organizing nails and screws and things. This is all of our drill stuff. I think that's Christmas, but just, you know, all the things, cat carriers. And then over here we have some Christmas stuff and fans, a backup propane tank, and then of course we have our big gun safe that holds all the cash and the guns. And then we have our electric weed eater and blower up there. I put that up there. So, and then of course my cute little car. Carol Ann is currently in Virginia to get her doctorate degree, and so I get to park in the garage. So that is what everything is looking like. So I guess I'll have to edit this and cut back into the video to show you guys the rest. But yeah, this is the garage. All right, well, I think that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you think about the change upstairs, replacing the carpet with the LVP. Like I said, eventually we're not going to have any carpet in this house. We're going to replace the carpet in here. All the carpet upstairs, on the stairs, we don't want carpet anywhere because it is disgusting when you have 5 cats and 2 dogs. So by this time next year, all of it will be replaced. I'll probably use my bonus to get the rest of the rooms done and save, of course, some money to do that. But yeah. That is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.